CPU is a combination of ALU and CU. CU in computer stand for Control Unit. ALU stand for Arithmetic Logic Unit. In a computer, most processing takes place in CPU. CPU is called brain of computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The first version of Microsoft Word was released by the name Multi-Tool Word in 1983. The first version of Microsoft Word was released in 1983. MICR technology is used in bank to verify checks and other documents. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. CAT in computer stands for Computer Axial Typography. CAL stands for in Computer Aided Learning. The CAD in computer stands for Computer Aided Design. CBT stands for Computer Based Training. Option C B is correct. The computer which has only one processor is known as microcomputer. Option C is correct. Language which was devised by Seymour Cray is Logo. Option C is correct. Who invented the supercomputer? Seymour Cray. Option A is correct. The dumb terminal has a keyboard and monitor. A dumb terminal is a terminal which does not have processing unit. What is embedded computer? It is a part of large system and designed for specific tasks. PDA is handled computer which is used to provide the facilities to calendar, appointments, books and address books. PDA stand for in computer PC stand for personal computer. The most form in which a modern computer is found today is personal. The first hybrid computer released 1961 was HiCom 250. Hybrid computer is a combination of analog computer as well as digital computer. Both A and B are correct option. In digital computer, data is expressed in binary form, 0 and 1 form. Which type of computer data is represented in discrete values? Digital computer, 0 and 1's form. These are discrete values, not continuous. Analogous computer input is never converted to digital form. Analogous computer works on the supply of continuous electrical pulses. Note that digital computer have discrete data and analog computer has a continuous data. Artificial intelligence AI is associated with which generation? Fifth generation. The first microprocessors were created using integrated circuit ICs. LSI is used fourth generation of computer. It stands for what? Large scale integrations. The VLSI is used for fourth generation of computer. It stands for very large scale integration. Difference between microprocessor and microcomputer. Microprocessor does not contain I/O devices. Option C is correct. The function of control unit in microprocessor is perform arithmetic and logic function. What was the name of first microprocessor invented in 1971? Was Intel 4004. The microprocessor was introduced in which generation of computer? Fourth generation of computer. Who invented microprocessor? Michael E. Huff, Federico Fagan, and Stanley Mazur. All these have invented microprocessor. Online real system become famous in third generation computer. An IBM System 360 is small scale computer belong to which generation of computer? Third. IBM system belong to the third generation of computers. For which generation operating system were developed? Third. Chief component of third generation computer was ICs, integrated circuits. The most advantage of IC is its high reliability. The integrated circuit is IC is fabricated and on silicon chip. IC stand for integrated circuit. The first computer used in Nepal was IBM 1401. IBM 1401 belonged to which computer generation? Second generation. First we have to learn about fifth generation, then we will learn fourth, then third, and now we are learning about second generation of computer. Chief computer of second generation computer was transistor. Fifth generation was AI based, fourth generation was Third generation was IC based and second generation was the transistor based. The first generation period computer developed during the Dash period 1956 to 1965. The batch processing was mainly used in this generation. First, which was the most popular computer in first generation computer? IBM 650. The first computer was programmed by using machine language. Which of the following is first generation computer? EDSA C. First generation computer.